I wish for home. For all of us.
What are you doing? What's happening? It's enough now, Agatha. Please stop! I can't let go! Get back! Get back! Get back!
100 years since I failed. 100 years of granting wishes. You were the first to wish to free me. To wish me home. Thank you.